In this tutorial, we'll discuss when to use the div or section tag in HTML.
Right, so we're going to use the section tag in HTML. We also have a div tag in HTML. The div tag is used if you don't have any semantic meaning. Now here, we're not going to use the div tag because everything here is related to each other, right? So this hello and this text here, they all belong to the intro, right? This is going to be the intro section. So in that case, it's better to use the section tag.
By the way, if this was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. Also, check out my courses on CSS and JavaScript if you want to take those skills to an advanced level. Because in there, we will build some beautiful real-world projects from scratch so you can see how everything fits together and really master CSS or JavaScript. And I will also release other courses soon like React and Node.js. So if you want to be notified, then make sure you are subscribed to the email newsletter. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you soon.